Hi everybody, welcome to another demo video from Stuff Opa Finds on eBay. This one's for a Brother SX 4000 electronic typewriter. This one fortunately has a demo that you can activate, and so that's what we're going to do. We've already got a piece of paper in it. We're going to take the keyboard cover off. Power is on the side, so we'll turn that on. The ribbon in here still works. We have no idea how much longer it's going to work for, but it's transferring ink. So according to the note, if I can see that or not, to activate the self demo, press the S key while holding down the Alt key. Alt S. So it looks like it's done. I can pull this out and have a look at it. We'll put a picture of this printout in the listing, but I'll show it to you here. So that's about it. It looks like it works good. We did type a few things manually, and everything seems to work fine. So thank you for watching.